And that used to be the bus station. This is the lift at Boots in Northampton. It's going to be a Pickering's lift. We go up to 1.
Doors closing.
Door close button does not work. Capacity 17 persons, 1275 kilos. It's got a weird motor.
Floor 1.
Built in 2014. Go back down to G.
Doors opening. This lift is going down. Doors closing.
It's got hydro-wear logic with Leicester indicator and digital voice, digital Piccadilly line.
Floor 0.
We are back at G, and that's it. This is the lift at New Look in Northampton. Door close button does work like that. This was a Keighley, then it was an Otis, then it was an Ace, and now it's been replaced with a Keighley disc. Capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos. Replaced in 2010. Go back down to G. This is the first set of lifts at Marehold multi-storey in Northampton. This used to be an old express, but it's been modernised by Jackson.
This lift is going up.
We're up to 5.
Doors closing.
Door close button does not work. It's a Jackson now. Capacity's 9 persons, 675 kilos.
Floor 5.
Got 5, go down to G.
Doors closing. Ground floor.
Here we are at G, and that's it. This is the other set of lifts at Mayerhold multi-storey
This lift is going up.
in Northampton.
Doors closing.
Door close button does work like that. This also used to be an old express, but it's now been modernised with a Jackson lift. Capacity's 9 persons, 675 kilos. It's got
Floor 5.
digital advanced as well.
Doors opening. This lift is going down. Floor 1. Doors opening.
Back up to 2.
This lift is going up. Doors closing.
It's got vandal resistant Dewhurst as well.
Floor 2.
Here we are at 2, and that's it.
This lift is going up. Doors closing.
This is the lift at St John's multi-storey in Northampton. This used to be an express. It's been modernised with a Jackson lift. Capacity is 10 persons, 800 kilos.
Floor 12.
We're at 12.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
This is the other lifts at, that's the old indicator, St John's multi-storey in
This lift is going up.
Northampton.
Doors closing.
Door close button does work like that. It's another Jackson lift. Used to be an express. Capacity is 10 persons, 800 kilos. Used to be an express, but it's now a Jackson.
Floor 11.
It's got digital advanced. Go back down to 1.
Doors opening. This lift is going down.
There's the light. Nice lights. Nice Dewhurst buttons, but it's just a basic generic.
Floor 1.
We are back at 1, and that's it. This is the lift at
This lift is going up.
H&M in Northampton. An old Thyssen lift. Capacity is 24 persons, 1800 kilos.
Floor 1.
We're at 1. Go back down to G.
Doors opening. This lift is going down. Doors closing.
This is the staff only door.
Ground
We're at
floor.
G, and that's it. This is the lift at Northampton Library. It's an old Keighley. Here it is. Gonna go up to 1. It's an old Keighley and A&A lift. It's got Keighley buttons and an old Keighley indicator, but sadly it doesn't work. Capacity 16 persons, 1250 kilos. Nice motor. Down to lower ground. It's got rare Keighley buttons. Basement's locked, so we've got to go back down to G. We are back at G. And there it goes. That indicator doesn't work. There it goes, and that's it. This is the lift at Freemark in Northampton. The Keighley disc. Door close button does work like that. It's got an annoying fan. Capacity is 26 persons, 2,000 kilos. Built in 2014. This used to be House of Fraser. Used to be a House of Fraser which had Otis's. We are back at G, and that's it. This is the lifts at the Grosvenor multi-storey shopping centre in Northampton. This used to be an express. Then it got modernised to picker-ins with A&A or digital, and it's been modernised again by Jackson with digital advanced. Capacity is 1,200 kilos, 15 persons. Modernised in 2012 and 16 and built in 1972.
Doors opening.
Back up to 3A.
This lift is going up. Doors closing.
Door close button does work like that. Modernised in 2012 and 16, and it was built in 1972. Here we are at 3A.
Doors opening.
One of these floors has a different panel, different call station. We're going to go up to 4A, different call station. See?
Doors opening.
Oh. This is the other set of lifts at Grosvenor Shopping Centre in Northampton. The left lift is not working. I want to try and get the middle lift. It's got ILE, and it's another Jackson lift. Used to be an express. Here it is. Gonna go up to 6.
Doors closing.
Oh, and we're gonna go up to 5 as well. Capacities 18 persons, 30-60 kilos.
5th floor.
Modernised in 2014 and built in 1972. Oh, the doors work.
Doors closing.
Doors opened.
6th
I'm gonna go down to G.
going down. Doors closing. Go.
Oh, it's got a glitchy voice. So the doors opened on the 5th floor. It's still not in good condition.
Shop level.
We're up G.
Doors
And there it goes. It's not working. Out of order. And there's a view of Northampton. And it's not working, this one. This one was modernised a year later to these two here. And that's it. Last lifts at the Grosvenor shopping centre in Northampton. And these are old expresses, modernised by Elan. And this one's not working, so there's just one lift working, and we're hoping to go all the way down I can hear it coming. Here it is. Takes a while to open. Capacity is 21 persons, 1600 kilos, built in 1972, modernised in 2011. We go down to G. It's a glass lift. There's the broken one. It's not been mended. So down we go. And we're going all the way. Here we are, G. And there it goes. I don't think it's in very good condition. But anyway, we got all the way, which was good. That's it. I'm going to pay with a banknote. It's £2. There's the ticket. there we are.